Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. Today's Wednesday, the 16th day of April 2025. Now, because of insecurity in Anambra State, to be precise, okay, Soludo set up one security outfit called Agunechemba after so much criticism from around the corner that he did not do anything. Now, to set the record straight, the Agunechemba worked, okay, to the best of their ability. But now, there is an issue, a great problem, a serious problem with this Agunechemba. Before now, we have been reporting about the human rights abuses by this security outfit. The way they used to take people's women, the way they intimidate boys, the way they use their position to fight their enemies, perceived enemies, even the one they have before they form the security outfit, and so on and so forth. Now, today, police confirms that Governor Soludo's Agunechemba security operative shot woman dead in Anambra, one woman, okay? Now, follow me in this video. If you understand the reason why they shot this woman dead, tears will run out. Now, let us set the record straight. You see, most of the time we blame people who are securing our environs. We blame people who talks about the issue of insecurity, but when they give you the power to do it, you can't do it. Now, let's go through this article from Sowore reporters for us to understand what really transpired, why these people shot this woman dead in a broad daylight along the road. And the article reads that the Anambra State Police Command has confirmed the killing of one Chiamaka Okeke in Nnewi by an operative of Governor Soludo's Agunechemba security outfit, popularly known as Operation Udo Gache. The commander's public relations officer SP Tochukwu, who confirmed the incident in a statement on Wednesday, said that Chiamaka was shot dead at Ibeto Junction in Nnewi North local government area of the state. It was gathered that the Agunechemba operative shot Chiamaka dead on Tuesday evening while trying to clear a traffic gridlock to make a way for their security convoy. Now, this is a very serious problem. The reason why they shot this woman dead was because they want to pass. The question is, where are they going? The people around there, when this thing happened, confirmed that these people don't have, they did not call them to maybe to a place where they are rushing to. These people are just patrolling and they don't want anybody to knock them. And when they were clearing the roads, imagine opening fire on a woman. Opening fire on a woman because there is traffic and you want to pass. Who are you? Who are you? This is what happened. It's so painful. Now, the article continues that it was reported that the security operatives convoy was caught up in the gridlock at the junction, and in their attempt to clear the way for their convoy, the security operatives started firing gunshot, during which Chiamaka was shot dead by one of the security men. So, Nodo, your security outfit are doing more harms than good to the people of Anambra State. Now, how can you just be wasting bullet because people are on traffic? With the taxpayers' money. Do you know how much bullet is? Now, you started shooting up for people to clear the road for you. This is insane. You started shooting just for people to clear the road for you. Who are you? Which kind of convoy? Where are you going? What is wrong? What is wrong? This is insane. It's insane. Now, there are so many issues that we want to dig up. Remember that Labour Party House of Assembly member that went through court that was killed? The people who killed him, they were arrested by the police. I want to ask, why do they free them and they cook the story that they ran away? They cook the story that they ran away. According to Father Bubemonso, Soludo knows what killed that man. That was what Father Bubemonso said. But we are just keeping the record, okay? Because of tomorrow. Now, let's continue with the article. Now, it says, confirming the incident, the police spokesperson said that the Commissioner of Police, Ikyoye Orutugu, said that the command was already in contact with the security outfit to identify the suspect and ensure justice is served. Okay, are they just going to hold one person and prosecute the actual person that shot? Actually, no. I believe that someone asked him to shoot up. They must have a commander leading them. So everything that the police or anyone wants to do is supposed to boil down to, sanctioning the security outfit. Supposed to boil down to sanctioning the security outfit, because this is not the first time of intimidating people. Sometimes I stop reporting about issue of what is happening in Anambra State because people are looking at it that maybe this guy is reporting this because of political interference. I don't belong to any political party. So if I'm saying anything, it has nothing to do with politics. So I withdrew from reporting most of the things. But the more you look, the more you see. The thing is growing every day, the intimidation here and there. I think it is time for us to continue to report the issue of intimidation by these security outfits. Now, the article says, this is following a report in the evening of yesterday, 15th April 2025, of the regrettable incident at Ibeto Junction in Newi, where a trigger-happy security operative shot a lady who was later identified as Chiamaka, which resulted in her death, Ikenga stated. Ikenga, who said that the police commissioner called for calm, added investigations are currently ongoing and further developments will be communicated. Doubt is apart. Secondly, about the security outfit, this is an unconfirmed report. Someone I was having conversation with told me that they used to see these people at every junction they said drink. That if they are walking, nobody says you should not drink water, but drinking alcohol, carrying gun is so bad. So the person who shot this lady, maybe the person must have taken alcohol. Maybe the person must have taken beer. You carry gun, shooting up just for your convoy to pass. Now, I want to warn the people of Anambra. All the security outfit will be used as thugs to rig election. We are not babies in Nigeria. We know what has been going on in Nigeria. During election, all these people, the possibility of using them to manipulate election, to cause all this disturbance is just 90%. They will use them. Politicians used to hire talk less of a governor who already have a security outfit who are drinking and shooting people anyhow. This is unacceptable. It's very, very unacceptable. I think if this is the way the security outfit should be going, they should reshuffle it or find another thing to do. Because their work, why they form the security outfit, is to protect people, especially the issue of kidnapping that was ravaging Anambra State. They worked 30%. 30% is not a pass mark, but they worked. Okay, they worked, but it's 30%. 30% is not a pass mark. Anyway, it is what it is. Let me know what you think about this. But Governor Chukwuma Soludo should do anything he knows he wants to do. Apart from compensating the woman's family, apart from sending the man to jail, stop your people not to drink alcohol while carrying gun. Let them stop drinking alcohol. And the most important thing is let them stop intimidating people. People have right, okay? Let them stop what? Intimidating people. Because politics is turn by turn. Soludo will still leave office. Even though he wins the second term election. Next 4 years he's out. Where is Obiano? Where is Chris Nkike? These are the questions people should ask. If you have power, be careful with what you do with your power.